Here's how to turn this into this. What we have here is a yaupon holly, and these are most often seen in the landscape as small trees instead of a shrub like this. But in the nursery, most of the time, you can save money by buying them smaller and buying them in shrub form rather than purchasing a large expensive tree. But not everybody knows how to turn them from a shrub to a tree, so that's what this is for, and it works on all kinds of different shrubs, so stay tuned. The first thing you want to do is, as you're picking this out, look for one that has 3 to 5 main large trunks, because that's going to look best in the long run. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 here. So this is going to turn out to be a nice looking tree in the future. Essentially, I'm going to be removing all the foliage from about here downward, and we start always with the lowest branches. So let's start there. This one has a lot that are way down near the base, so those are going to come off first. All right. Okay, before we get any further, there's a decision to be made here. So do we keep this branch or no? And actually, I'm leaning towards taking this away. It's a large branch, but it's not very interesting. It's just straight up and down. I like these that have curves and angles to them. So I think what we'll do is we'll take all of this off, and then we'll be left with 1, 2, 3, 4 main trunks, which I think will look really nice. All right, so I'm gonna take that off down at the base. Okay, now that we've cleared the base off, we're gonna start looking for branches that are pointing interior. We want our branches to be going outwards. So any branches that are growing towards the middle, we're gonna take those off, and that's gonna help promote a healthier tree and airflow in the tree. Here's another really good example. Look how this is growing towards the middle. It's going up and interfering with all of these branches over here. So we'll take that off as well. Okay, now here, this is a low branch, but it's growing outward. So this could be considered a scaffolding branch that's going to grow outward. And we want to keep that, but it's got a really strong sprout growing up towards the middle. So we're going to take that off, and we'll leave these branches out here that are going to actually come out and create a larger, wider plant. I'm actually gonna cut this one too, so push this branch out a little bit wider. Or maybe I'll leave that one for the next owner of this tree to decide what direction they wanna go with it. Because you could leave one of these on this fork, or you could take one. Either way, you can't really go wrong there. Now remember, this is a process, so do everything that you think looks good right now. Give it a year or two to continue to grow out, and then you can make other decisions like, do you want to keep this branch? Do you want to keep this branch? See how the top starts developing, and then make those decisions along the way. And within a few years, you can also start cutting the top if you want to shape it and make it more dense, and you'll end up with a really nice, beautiful landscape tree.